Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G53 and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store app to get the Icon Changer app. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and just wait a couple of seconds. So now tap to open the application. Click here to allow and let's use one from this available icon. For example, let's use the calendar application. If you want to rename it, you should click here to this edit icon. Here we can use the new icon from this library section. We got here a lot of different folders with the icons, you can use them. Also, we just have possibility to use the photo from my device gallery or to take a picture right now with camera up. I'll just use the one from this available icons. For example, let's use something for calendar. Let's use this one, or just let's maybe find another one, so we can use this icon for the calendar. Let's then just tap to the right upper corner to OK, just to save the changes. So we should now just keep the videos. Click to this icon, just tap add to home screen. Now let's go just to desktop. If you want to change next icon by the same way, just click to this button. So let's just see the new calendar icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.